Discovering interrogative determiners. Which, what, whose. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of interrogative determiners, namely, which, what, and whose. They are essential parts of our grammar toolbox, especially when it comes to asking questions. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let's define interrogative determiners. They are special types of words that we use to ask questions about people or things. Specifically, we are focusing on three main ones: which, what, and whose. Which is used when we are choosing between a limited number of items or people. What is generally used when we are not limiting the choice to a specific set of items or people. And whose is used to inquire about possession or ownership. For example, which book do you prefer, Harry Potter or Lord of the Rings? Limited choice. What book do you prefer? Open choice. Whose book is this? Ownership. Which and what are often used interchangeably, but there's a subtle difference. Which is used when the number of options is limited, whereas what is used when the choices are not specified. For instance, which of these two pens is yours? What, any, pen do you like to use for writing? In the first sentence, we imply a specific, limited number of pens. In the second sentence, the question is more general, not limited to a specific set of pens. The term, whose, is a unique interrogative determiner because it asks about possession or ownership. It's equivalent to asking about the owner of something. For instance, whose jacket is this? Whose ideas were implemented in the project? In both sentences, we're asking about the owner of the jacket and the originator of the ideas. And that's a wrap on interrogative determiners. Which, what, and whose. Understanding and using these words correctly will significantly enhance your question-asking skills in English. Remember, which is for limited choices, what for unlimited or unspecified choices, and whose for questions about ownership. Keep practicing these determiners in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning!